Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Amazon Associates mobile app tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with the Amazon Associates mobile app tracking, start by downloading the Amazon Associates app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Amazon Associates account credentials. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Here, you will find an option for Tracking ID. Select this option to create a new tracking ID or edit an existing one. If you're creating a new tracking ID, enter a unique name that reflects your marketing strategy. After entering the name, confirm the creation by clicking the appropriate button. Next, return to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the banner or link that provides the option for mobile app tracking. Follow the prompts to enable mobile app tracking for the specific tracking ID you've just created. Once mobile app tracking is enabled, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, go to the mobile app settings that you wish to track. Integrate the provided tracking links into the relevant sections of your app. Test the links to ensure they redirect correctly to Amazon. Monitor your performance metrics regularly through the Amazon Associates mobile app. Keep an eye on your earnings and conversions for continuous optimization. Regularly update your tracking IDs as needed to refine your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.